wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Kombucha starter kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the fermentaholics culture comes with 12 full ounces of starter liquid, plus an organic, kosher and non-GMO scoby that's grown in a controlled environment laboratory. You will need to supply your own jar, sugar and 6 tea bags though. It comes with detailed instructions and is made using green and black tea. However, it takes a while to increase in size. At number 9, the culture provided by Brindle Southern Farms is vacuum sealed to ensure there's no leaking before you're ready to use it. You'll be able to make a full gallon with what's included, and you even get a wooden spoon for mixing. It includes a large 4-inch scoby too, and tasting straws to check if it's done, but it doesn't come with a brewing vessel. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you're looking for something capable of producing big batches, consider the northern brewer everbru. You can choose from 3 jar sizes, the largest of which has a 3-gallon capacity and a stainless steel spigot that makes serving and sampling a breeze. This one's designed for continuous brewing and comes with a mesh tea infuser ball. However, the scoby is on the small side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kombucha starter kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the fermentaholics organic makes sure you have everything you need by packing together a 1-gallon container along with the correct amount of starter tea, as well as a flavoring guide, so you can experiment and find the brew that you like best. It includes 15 instant read pH test strips and raw cane sugar, but the thermometer sticks to the jar. Moving up our list to number 6. Sometimes simpler is better, and this kitchentoolz scoby has everything you need, including a glass jar, which is an improvement over plastic options, as it's BPA-free and won't impart any unwanted flavors into your beverage. It's equipped with a cotton cloth and rubber band and half a cup of starter tea, and it's less expensive than fancier kits. Halfway up our list at number 5. Both the glass and the packaging in the Craft Brew Complete are made partially from recycled materials, making it an environmentally friendly choice. It comes in an attractive gift-ready box, and the jar and cloth cover are adorned with a cute bee graphic. This one's assembled by hand in the USA, and the scoby can be reused indefinitely. It includes flavoring suggestions. At number 4, if you live in a cold region or keep your house below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, the kitchentoolz 2-phase will ensure your brew stays at a safe temperature with its electric heat trap. Plus, it comes with 4 32-ounce growlers for storage between batches. You could use clear or amber glass bottles, both with tight sealing lids. This one comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're a total novice, the miloo Premium has you covered. It's affordably priced considering it comes with tea, sugar and a de-sieve thermometer and a pack of pH test strips. And the step-by-step instructions are straightforward and easy to follow. It includes a thick and durable glass jar and a funnel, and the scoby is double-bagged. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kombucha starter kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you won't find a bigger scoby to start with than the one offered by Get Kombucha. This on-tap version includes a 2.5-gallon brewer and stand that dispenses your finished tea via a convenient spigot, which is great news for those who plan to go through a lot. It features specially formulated tea, a lead-free brewing vessel, and access to online training videos. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Kombucha shop can help you get started with its included 1-gallon glass jar, along with a guide full of tips on how to experiment using different flavors. There's also a deluxe version that contains 6 16-ounce bottles, so you can take some to the office. It boasts a reusable cotton tea bag, a temperature gauge and a pipette straw, and only organic ingredients. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Kombucha starter kits, or simply click beneath this video.